Hey guys, so it's midnight and Shanta is bleeding. Nagdudugo yung ano niya.
Yung ano niya?
Tumatawa na siya. Pupunta na kami sa ospital so we can check what's wrong kasi nag-research kami online. Parang medyo weird, hindi masyadong normal. May doctor friend si Shanta, sabi niya dapat pupunta na kami sa ER para mag-check kung anong problema.
Pero actually sabi din niya, depende ka sa doctor kung baka dahil sa bloody show lang yun kanina. Sabi din ng doctor ko, antayin contractions, wala akong nafe-feel.
Naka-impake kami, ready to go to the hospital. And then ako, baliktad pala yung pagsuot ko ng damit.
Baliktad yung damit niya.
I was in such a rush kasi hindi ko napansin.
Bagang ihi.
Yeah, I know. Your water broke. Alright.
Tara na.
Do you want to change your pad before we go?
Yeah, of course.
I see you change it now. So now it's 1:30 AM. Shanta's water just broke. I was about to clip her toenails. So nakaupo siya dun sa bed namin and then all of a sudden
Water and blood, di ba?
yeah, it's a mixture of water and blood. So
Oh my gosh, look at that.
yeah, it's a lot. Ang dami.
Napuno yung malaking pad.
Yeah, may pad siya dito sa ano niya, sa downstairs niya. Tapos it's soaking wet with blood and water. That's gotta be your water breaking now, because it was like dami, ang dami. Alright, let's go, Shan. Hindi ko muna siya ipapakita sa video kasi hello, bossing. Pwede pa bang pahanda ng ambulance dyan? Or for VRP? Ngayon na. Kasi yung misis ko po, parang maglalabor na siya.
Hindi, nag-break ng water.
Ano pa? Okay. So, tawagin ko muna ang VRP. Oh. Okay. Sige. Okay. Okay, sige.
Good morning. Welcome to VRP Medical Center.
Oh.
To leave a message and for information, dial 1. Emergency room, dial 2. Billing section. Thanks for calling ER.
Hello po. Nag-break po ang water ng asawa ko po. We're trying to get an ambulance from One Shangri-La. Pupunta dyan sa VRP.
Wait lang siya ha.
Sige po. Ba?
Hello?
Hello po. Hello po.
Tawag po kayo sa delivery room. Sa kanila po ninyo i-endorse po.
Anong number?
Anong number ng delivery room?
2301 po.
Water breaking.
I will transfer your call.
Hello. It's just gone quiet. Hello?
I'm sorry, extension does not answer. You may dial another extension number now.
What the hell? Like, how hard is it to get an ambulance to VRP?
Dial another extension number now or press 0 for operator assistance. To remain on hold, please transferring to the operator. Good morning. Thank you for calling the Medical Center. This is I may help you.
Hey, good morning po. Nag-break na po ang water ng misis ko. We're trying to arrange for an ambulance.
Ano ka kayo, sir? Sa may nursing service? Hold on po.
Sige po. Hello po. Nag-break na po ang water ng asawa ko. We're trying to arrange an ambulance galing One Shangri-La Place papunta dyan sa VRP.
Sorry, sir. We don't have an available ambulance.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Thank you po. Bye.
Papuntan daw yung ambulance.
Oh. Nakakalito, no?
Hindi, may doctor lang po kami na affiliated sa VRP. May admission slip na po ako ng doctor ko sa VRP. Okay na po ba yun? Hindi ko po maintindihan kung paano kukunin yung confirmation kasi Kami ang tatawag.
Yo, kinusap ko kanina. Pero sige lang, tawagan ko sila ulit. Tapos set ako ng reservation.
Just call our friend.
Sabihin ko sila. Okay, sige. Okay, sure. Okay.
Oh my gosh, buti na lang wala pa akong pain na nararamdaman kasi matatakot ako pag may pain na.
Yeah, look, it would be honestly easier to just call our friend and get him to take us there. No?
Magkikilay ako.
Kilay ka muna. Kilay muna bago mag-anak.
I'm sorry, extension does not answer.
Yeah,
You
of course
may dial
not.
another extension.
Yung misis ko po, nag-break na po ang water niya.
Ay, tumatawag na po.
Si Dr. Claire Brion.
Ano po sasabihin namin?
Brion po. B-R-I-O-N.
Doctor. Apo.
Huh?
Apo.
Sa My Health Way. B for Barry.
Kung sasabihin lang namin sila.
Hindi ba?
may kailangan pa kaming
B-R-I.
bigay sa
Visiting doctor?
kausap niya ngayon.
I guess so. Madami dito sa bahay.
Claire,
Sabi lang ng ambulance namin na kailangan sila ng
hindi. Confirmation. If
napapunta kami.
if alam na nila.
Sige ba? Okay.
Yung doctor ko po, si Marie Claire Brion, affiliated daw po siya sa VRP. Tapos kailangan kasi ng confirmation ng building dito na may mag-receive sa amin sa sa VRP, parang ganun para magamit namin yung ambulance. Yun lang, hinihingi lang po. Kanina mga afternoon pa lang may discharge ako brown, tapos around 11 PM nagising ako kasi may wiwi ako, tapos may blood na siya, tapos by 12 may blood pa rin, mga 12:30 ba yun? Naging water na po siya, tapos may blood din, may blood din.
Sige po. Okay.
Gagawin ko. Sabi niya kasi pag
Meron na po. Meron na
yung
kaming
water
confirmation.
ko, punta na daw.
Apa. Okay. Bababa kami? Alright.
Patawanan niyo po yung doctor. Hindi niya ako narinig.
She was actually very friendly, that woman on the phone there, like very, magaling mag-customer service. Parang ganun, no? Magaling customer service niya. Okay, bebe, you ready? Shan?
Wala na akong kilay.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Shanta, are you done? Oh my gosh. You were the only woman in the world to do her kilay before going to the hospital.
Iba nagbi-makeup ako, kilay lang.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna switch cameras. I'm gonna switch to the iPhone 6 while I vlog the rest of this, because I don't want to be carrying around a camera in the hospital. It'll just be
Baka
weird.
bawal din.
Mas subtle yung iPhone, di ba? It's 2 AM by the way. 2 AM, we're about to leave. Handa na ang ambulance sa baba. Ambulance. Ambulansya sa baba. So we're going. Alright, Shan, tara na. Sige na, bebe.
Yung maternity pads ko.
Magkakabebe na. Ha?
Yung maternity pads ko. Oh my gosh, inayos ko ba yung bed? Patayin mo nga yung ilaw ko.
Sige. Alright. Here we go, Shanta. You okay? You feeling okay?
Sing-sing ko.
That's alright. You don't need to sing-sing when you're having a baby. Alright, we got everything in the bags that we prepared.
Ang lit ng alcohol ko.
Okay, Shanta. Walang iwan. We've got everything. Because it's... Huh?
And mask na to, we forgot.
We need a mask?
Yeah,
But we don't have any.
I have.
Okay, Shanta. I got them. Kaloka. It's finally happening, baby. So our baby's birthday is what? It's May 9 this morning, right?
Hindi pa natin alam.
No. Well, sana.
Baka induce ako, no? Kasi
Grabe.
wala akong contractions. Oo na.
There it is. Your ambulance is here.
Thank you po.
Thank you, bossing. Salamat.
Sorry po. Uy, first time kong sasakay ng ambulance, alam mo ba? Hello po, good evening.
Hello, Bob. Good morning.
Sorry po. pala kung
Tanda lang mo, ma. Tanda lang mo. Nagli-leak ng water dyan.
Oo, madami.
Oh.
Thank you po.
Ah, thank you, thank you. Salamat. Wah.
Ano po? Thank you
Hello.
po. Yung water po na pasok po?
Dito po.
Thank you po. COVID test mo.
COVID test muna.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.